Hey everybody, today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on how I do these loose curls. I like that it is simple and fast and usually can be done in under 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Because I am using a larger curling iron today, I'm only going to be splitting my hair into 2 separate sections. So I'm just going to be going a little bit above my ear, right around the temple area, and then clipping this up and out of the way. I'm going to be splitting this bottom section in half, just right down the middle and the back. General rule of thumb is the section that you are curling or flat ironing or whatever you are doing to heat style, it can be the same size as the hot tool that you are using. So the section that I will be using will be close to this size here, which is around 2 inches. I believe this might be a 1 3/4 inch or a 2-inch curling iron, I am not quite sure. So usually I would do 3 or 4 different curls, but because that is a larger hot tool, I am going to be doing only 2 separate curls at the bottom. So I'm just going to be taking this section here and finger combing it kind of flat and straight out, just so the heat can go all the way through. So basically you are taking vertical sections. I'm gonna start at the top, go down a little, go about halfway, twist up and hold for a few seconds. Bring it down a little bit more, twist up, bring it down a little bit more, twist up, and then release. That is that curl there, and you're going to do the exact same thing to this front section. You want to comb through, make sure it is a nice vertical section. Start at the top, go down about halfway and roll up. Then you want to hold it, go down a little bit more, roll up and hold. Once you get to the very bottom, I just like to release quickly. I just like to make sure that the bottom is smooth but not completely curled, because the ends of your hair are a little bit more damaged or prone to damage, so you want to be careful when you are using heat. The hair up here can handle it a little bit better. That is why I like to start at the top and work my way down. So you just want to do the exact same thing on this side here. And I do like to go away from my face. I just think it looks more flattering. So that is what I'm going to be doing with all of these sections. Because it is a larger curling iron, I just like it to go all one way. If you were using a smaller curling iron, then I would say at that point you can maybe alternate your curls, but because I'm using a larger one and I'm going to be doing way less sectioning than I typically would, I'm just going to be going the same way. But if you don't want your curls to run into one another, that is a good thing to do, just to break them up, is to alternate your curls, so some going away from your face and then some going toward. I'm going to be taking this next section down and only letting half of it down and then bringing it forward and clipping this other side up. I'm going to be taking 3 sections for the top, so go ahead and split it down at the back, and I like to do the back first just so I can sort of toss the hair that's already done out of the way so it doesn't get tangled in with the rest. Just want to make sure you're doing a nice straight vertical section and just literally doing the exact same thing. Rolling down, holding for a few seconds, rolling down and holding. And once you get to the bottom there, you can just sort of lightly graze over it with the flat iron, or the curling iron, I'm sorry, just to smooth the ends. That side cool and then do the exact same thing on this side. Because this is a larger side, just because this is where my bangs are, I guess what would be my bangs, I'm going to be doing 4 sections. If you split your hair down the middle, you can just do the exact same on the other side, and if you have thicker hair than me, you may actually need to do more sectioning anyhow. I have a normal amount of hair and it's fine textured, so this is just what I find works for me when using this size curling iron. cool down. And when I do have my hair in looser curls like this, I don't like to touch it too much. And I do like to get my hair softer because it is only second day hair. I usually go about 4 or 5 days before washing. So I don't like to use too much product on the first couple of days that I wear my hair. So I'm just gonna let my hair kind of settle in and cool down, and then I will be right back. So it's been a few minutes, so what I'm going to just be doing on each side is very gently grabbing a piece from the center and then shaking it out. So I'm just going to be doing this throughout just to break up the curls just a tiny bit without really combing through them. You want to make sure to do this after your hair is also cooled, because if you go through and do it when the curls are hot, you're just going to be pulling out your curls. So that is all I like to do for my loose curls, and like I said, I do try to stretch this style out a little bit, so I don't like to mess with it too much. Tomorrow I will go in and add just a few more curls and probably a little bit of product like a texture mist or a hairspray of some sort. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you try this out, let me know how it goes for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do hope you stick around and subscribe, and if you are a longtime viewer of mine, thank you for your continued support. I do greatly appreciate it. I'm really trying to step up my channel and do more videos for you guys, so if you do have any video requests that you want to see, let me know by leaving a comment down below on what you guys do want to see. I hope you all have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everybody!